pretty exciting, huh?
And then you come to work, and then you get ready and go home.
We're like an old married couple.
Yeah.
Yep,
Dukie's
just like an old
FaceTiming
married
me
couple.
right now. I'm vlogging right now.
Oh, okay.
Vlogging is her passion.
It is my passion, actually. Especially that treadmill. Ow.
Ow. No, it's my spot.
I'm not going to. Dukie's FaceTiming me right now.
Uh-huh. Are you vlogging with me FaceTiming you?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. Right now we're just watching Perry Mason.
Wow.
I know.
That's exciting stuff.
It is.
What's Perry Mason about?
Way back in the 90s.
In the 90s?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
Yup.
That's cool.
Right now, Doogie's working at the state bank.
Yep. Making that big of money.
How is Sherry Roll Tide?
Sherry Roll Tide is good.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
I-
Thank goodness. Sherry Roll Tide got a new Lexus.
Wait, what?
Sherry Roll Tide got a new Lexus.
Alexa?
No, Lexus.
Lexus.
Yep.
What's that mean?
It's a new car.
Sherry got a new car.
Yeah, it's white.
Congratulations, Sherry Roll Tide, for getting a new car.
That's exciting stuff, huh?
Mm-hmm.
She was upset because it wasn't a Porsche.
Oh, please, Duke.
Mm-hmm.
Is this true?
It is true.
Oh my, you're kidding, right?
Nope.
No.
No.
What do you mean, no?
Hey, Chloe, how many days in a row have you worn pigtails?
What?
How many days in a row have you worn pigtails?
Fox are back in a signature
Oh.
mystery series. Let's hope the police are watching. All new morning show mysteries. 3 Sundays.
Whenever I work out, it's my passion.
Yeah?
Besides, I love to vlog for We Are Like an Old Married Couple is my passion.
Cool.
She might be the killer.
Morning show mysteries. All new premieres start Sunday, April 14th at 9 on Hallmark Movies and Mysteries.
So, Carson's still on a cruise ship?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Actually, he fell off yesterday, but they had to scoop him out of the water.
He fell?
Yep, he fell into the water.
Oh.
Around this night at King Arthur's table.
Yeah.
You're kidding.
Circumference.
Yeah, they had to get him. They had to scoop him up with a fish net.
Wait, for real?
Yeah,
Whoa.
just kidding.
Oh, God. You gave me a heart attack, dude. I thought it was for real.
CSP sale. I know exactly what's in my name.
What? What was that dance?
A nonprofit organization that